Hello, I'm Karl. I'm in London today. Usually, the weather here is gray and rainy, but today is beautiful. It's warm and sunny. I'm standing in the city center right now. There are so many people around, tourists, students, and happy children. A beautiful old building is in front of me. A small park is on the right. A nice cafe is on the left. I feel very good. I am happy. I have a map and a bag. Now I want to find my hotel. My adventure starts. I turn right and go to the park. There are tall trees and nice benches in the park. I see an old man. He sits on the bench and reads a newspaper. "Excuse me," I say. "Do you know where the Oxford Hotel is?" "Is it here?" The man smiles and answers, "The Oxford Hotel is not far. Go straight through the park. Do you see that big pharmacy? Turn left after it." "Thank you very much," I answer. I go straight. I see many interesting things: red buses, black taxis, and different shops. In the shops, there are beautiful gifts, flags, and t-shirts. But I am hungry. I see a small cafe. It is very nice. There are flowers on the window, white and red roses. I decide to go inside and drink coffee. My hotel can wait 20 minutes. It is very comfortable inside the cafe. It smells like fresh bread and sweet chocolate. I see a free table near the window. I take the menu and choose my lunch. A young woman comes to me. "Hello, can I have a salad, coffee, and a croissant, please?" I ask. "Of course," she answers. In 5 minutes, my lunch is on the table. The salad is fresh, the coffee is hot, and the croissant is very tasty. I look out the window and like the view. I pay and go outside. Now I have a lot of energy. I walk down the street and see a big bookstore. It has blue walls and an old door. I love books very much, so I go inside. It is very quiet in the shop. There are many bookshelves. There are books about history, people, and music. I see a section books about London. I choose one small book with beautiful photos. There is a bridge and a river on the cover. I ask the assistant about the price. I buy the book and put it in my bag. It is a great gift for me. I leave the bookstore and see the big pharmacy. The man in the park talked about it. It is very big and new. There are many beautiful flowers near the pharmacy. I turn left. The street is small, but very clean. I see many houses, big and small. Then I see a sign. It says in big letters, Oxford Hotel. "Finally," I say quietly. The hotel building is white and very tall. A guard in a beautiful uniform stands near the door. I open the door and go into the hotel. It is light and clean in the hall. There is a big red rug on the floor. I go to the reception. A manager is there. She is a young woman. Her name is Anna. "Good day," I say. "My name is Karl. I have a reservation." "Good day, Karl," she answers. 1 minute, please. Yes, everything is correct. Your room is 62. It is on the 3rd floor. Here is your key. Thank you. I say, where is the lift? The lift is there, on the right. Anna smiles. I take my bag and go to the lift. I see a woman in the lift. She has a big dog. The dog is very kind and quiet. What is your dog's name? I ask. Her name is Bella, the woman answers and smiles. We get out on the 3rd floor. The corridor is long and light. I am a little tired, but I am very happy. My room is waiting for me. My room is not big, but it is very nice. There is a big bed, an armchair, and a table. There is a lamp and a book on the table. I open the window. The air is fresh. I see many beautiful houses from the window. It is a great view. I put my bag on the floor and sit on an armchair. I take my new book and the city map. In the evening, I want to go to a restaurant and try traditional English food. It is 7 o'clock in the evening now. I look at my watch. It is time for dinner. I leave the hotel and go to the bus stop. I want to take a famous red bus. The ticket is not expensive. I stand at the bus stop. A young girl stands near me. She listens to music. A big red bus number 15 arrives. I go inside and go to the 2nd floor. I always wanted to do this. I see the River Thames and a famous bridge. The city is very big and old. I feel like I am in a movie. In 15 minutes, I am there. The city looks very beautiful in the evening. I find a nice restaurant and order fish and chips. After dinner, I walk back to my hotel. My day is over. I saw a park, a cafe, and a bookstore. I rode a famous red bus. I have a room in a good hotel. London is a fantastic city. Now I am tired and I want to sleep. Good night, London.